Hi everyone, this is Cody from BridgeCom Systems at KE0WWS, and here we've just got a whole bunch of new AnyTone products in stock. We've got more of the tri-band mobile and the dual band 578 mobile. So I'm going to unbox one for you here. And check this out. Get out the handy dandy pocket knife. It's exciting stuff right here. You're going to be able to fulfill all the orders in place. And we should have enough for all you guys to start ordering more. So here we go. Let's see, what do we got? We got tri-band. Let's see what else is here. We got some of the dual band ones too. Here we go, check this out. Okay, this is pretty exciting. So we've got, it looks like a brand new packaging style. So this is the dual band 578. Hopefully this is going to come to tri-band as well. We've never seen this before from AnyTone. We've got the radio actually printed on the box. We got the AnyTone logo. It's pretty cool. So these are now in stock. You can order yours today. We got links in the description. So check it out. This is Cody from BridgeCom Systems 7.3.